What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I want to make this really just a quick and clean video of 5 altcoins I'm actually very bullish on right now that I'm basically accumulating before October. And by October, that is a term that is commonly used in the cryptocurrency space for when October arrives, because typically we start to see coins go back up in October. And this is just a swift reminder. We can see right here, we're looking at Coin Glass. When we look at Bitcoin's monthly returns, September is usually quite bearish. August is usually very bearish too. But October is when things start to flash green again. So we've still got that glimpse of hope. We've got another 4 weeks out until roughly we're going to hopefully see the price of some coins start to go up yet again. And that is what I'm really looking forward to at the moment, is October, November, December, because many people think the bull run is over now because we saw Bitcoin crash down below 60k momentarily. But I really do concur with that, and I think we're still sort of midway bull run. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe should you wish to hit your crypto goals, and let's talk about it. We're looking at some of my favorite altcoins for fundamental reasons, just price action reasons, technical reasons. So yeah, let's hop right in. So coin number 1 will be Optimism. So effectively, this is a super chain ecosystem. If you're bullish on things like Ethereum, you should be bullish on coins like Optimism too. So a very quick glance into what it's about. It's a layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of the Ethereum mainnet and helps scale the Ethereum ecosystem by using optimistic rollups. You can also see here we have the token unlocks in progress. So we've got 27.65% of the overall tokens circulating, and there are some untracked and even unlocked tokens that still need to be released over time. I don't know what those untracked ones are. That's quite a lot. But overall, it's a good place. Now, $1.7 billion market cap. To me, this is low. For a coin of this level of fundamental, this is low. It hit 4.5 billion before, and I do think in the future we should be looking at like 8, 10, 12 billion dollar targets for Optimism OP itself. Here it is. The website says Optimism Collective, build a world that benefits all, owned by none. And when you scroll down, you can see the super chain ecosystem is growing. You've got Base, Fractal, Mode, Redstone, Zora, and there's just more and more and more that are effectively coming slowly. So next one will be Ethereum itself. Why Ethereum? Well, to be honest, guys, Ethereum has not done an all-time high yet this year, and to me that is extremely bewildering. It's a bit disappointing, but it makes me think that this milestone, this achievement, and this quest is still pending. You can see what happened last time in the bear market. Ethereum was hovering around $100, rocketed up in price to about 4.7k, came down. But what actually happened is, at first it hit $4,000, as you can see right here, and then it actually came down catastrophically to 1.8k. It did a 50% correction, and then it ended up going up in price. So that's something that really also sparked some interest in me. 4k as a result, I think is easy to break through, but I think we should really be targeting higher here. Looking at the market cap, Ethereum hit $550 billion, and I honestly think $1 trillion or 1.5 or even $2 trillion is realistic for this particular coin right here. So Ethereum is absolutely on the list as another one that I'll be buying up in those red days if I could possibly do so. Also, guys, huge thanks to all the new Crypto Legend members in my Patreon group and all of the new Crypto Champion members. If you're looking to achieve more time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom, make sure you do sign up as a patron to get those trading signals and early alpha calls. It's all limited, but it's all in the Discord. That's where you unlock everything, all the VIP benefits. So do check it out. So if you haven't seen my Discord, very quick one, it's here. We've got over 25,000 members. There's so much stuff here, guys. You can go from knowing nothing about crypto to being really confident and active in these markets just by becoming a patron. Coin number 3 will be Wormhole. This originally launched as a Solana type coin, but Wormhole itself is massive. It connects all sort of ecosystems together, and it helps with how things flow throughout the blockchain. You know, you've got oracles and things like that to talk about with Wormhole. It's not just this big dark galaxy. So this is Wormhole right here. Now, looking at Wormhole, $575 million market capitalization. We can see the price is 0.22. When we look at the historical data over here, you can see that the price was once upon a time 0.27. The market cap itself, $573 million. So overall decent stuff here. When we look at the retrospective data over here, we've got $1.97 billion again. And overall, just looking good. Just looking like a nice sort of time to be buying up Wormhole. Now, I wouldn't look at the launch sort of price here. I would look at the all-time high for Wormhole being around $1.37 billion. So we're about 75% down at the moment. But in general, it's really interesting. It's really interesting to see this coin float sideways at this $500 million mark. And I think looking at the price structure again, 0.75 is an area of interest. But I think we can break through 3, 4, 5x, even potentially 10x on top of this to $5 billion massive dollars for Wormhole technology. So yeah, very bullish on this. Big market accessibility. Most of the volume comes through Binance. It's not even on Coinbase, which is crazy. But this is it. And here you can actually see, just looking at the cross-chain activity of all the money flowing on the Wormhole scan. It's absolutely insane. You can just see it all there. You've got Su, Solana, Arbitrum. Of course, there's loads of domination from Ethereum there, but Wormhole is certainly one I would be looking at. It says build multi-chain. But yeah, really, really cool project, guys. Check this one out. Do some research on it. It's always helpful to do some research. Not financial advice, of course. None of this video is, but we're just sort of speculating coins that could have massive movement to the upside. Coin number 4 will actually be a meme coin. Pepe. Pepe, because I honestly think it's the biggest meme coin right now to be looking at when it's in a discount like it is right now. Hit $7 billion market cap. It's now floated down to 3.35 billion. So it's basically done a 50% correction and beyond. You can see the market cap is 3.3 billion, and it was once upon a time, decent. Price-wise, it's added an extra 0, but it's holding really nicely against its support thresholds. And when meme and alt season does come back, I do see Pepe as being one of those that shines really brightly. 3 billion market cap. When you compare it to coins like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, which already have over 10 billion, it doesn't give them much multiplier effect anymore because the market cap is so large. But the chances of Pepe doing a 5x this coming bull run is still really high because it's got generally low market cap. 672k followers, as we can see over here. And Pepe itself, well, doesn't it just look great? It's a very simple website. Pepe the Frog, the green frog. We all know about him by now since his inception last May 2023, I think it was actually. And coin number 5, guys, will be Pyth Network. This is a low market cap again-ish, $1 billion on the market cap. The previous market cap all-time high was 1.7 billion or 1.8 billion. But it's holding really, really well. What is this coin? You might be wondering. Well, the Pyth Network is the largest and fastest growing first-party Oracle network. Pyth delivers real-time market data to financial dApps across 40-plus blockchains and provides 380-plus low latency price feeds across cryptocurrencies. You can see the circulating supply is around 30%. So you have to be kind of careful of those token releases because it will have a dilution effect on the value of each coin. But overall, I think it's looking pretty good. And you can see actually here is a massive result of token release. When the price doesn't line up to the market cap, that's because of a big abundance or an injection of supply has just been released. So we can see the all-time high actually by price is about $1.11, but the market cap when that happened was actually $1.39. So to get back to a price all-time high, you actually need to do a 4x from where we are, which takes you to a $4 billion market cap. That's the only sort of thing I'm not too keen on. So I would be still measuring by the market cap all-time high and what you can do in these scenarios. Look, $1.8 billion market cap. So we actually know a true all-time high would be $2 billion, which would effectively be about 50 cents. So if you're buying in at 28 cents now, you're looking to sell, in my opinion, not at $1, but at like 50, 60, 70, maybe 80 cents tops to make some decent money out of this sort of thing. So another cool one. I think it's very good. Big utility and fundamentals behind it. So that is a wrap, folks. There it is, 5 coins that you can potentially look at this coming sort of September period leading up to October. And if you are new here, please do smash that subscribe button, like the video, share it with your friends, consider becoming a patron. I'll leave those links down below for you, and get trading on KSEX or MEXC should you wish to mitigate those large trading fees and also have the no KYC effect. I'll see you very soon, guys. Stay crypto safe. Bye for now. Peace.